Hello YouTube, this is Aiden from Mumford Airsoft. I am putting out a video here, and I'm also going to apologize for the lack of videos in the past few months. Weather's been crappy, we've played a few times, but it's been small, 5-person wars, not really worth filming. Not a very good turnout, a lot of tests, finals in the way. So today I put out a bit of war footage from this weekend. I was invited to a place in which I've never participated before. It was a great time, the people were really nice, and I had a blast. Here's some footage from that. Alex, you hosted a hell of a game, so I hope you enjoyed this footage. You can see I'll be using my new Echo on VFC M4 in the video. So there'll be a review up on that soon. I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh my god. No, look for fat trees that you can hide behind. Alright. Ready to take a shot? Oh, my feet.
That's 2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. We got the base. Move up, move up, move up! Take him down! Oh, headshot again! And now my battery's down. Hey, wait,
Let him respawn at the town. Then you guys can...
Damn it! Hey! I'm out.
Take a pistol, hold on.
All pistol.
Out. Hey, you got the pistol?
Yeah. And only a pistol.
This is dead.
Alright.
Hey, I think my gun takes the same mag. Yeah. Nope.
My gun does not have that much accuracy. My gun has really good accuracy. Oh, there it is. I already hit him like 8 times.
Oh, behind that tree too. Okay. Ammo. Right to your house. Whoever's got ammo.
I'm not behind that one.
Hey, Genius, I'm not playing.
Move up! Hit! One. Yeah, that sucks.
That sucks.
Alright, what the fuck? You can win candy, asshole. Hit! Jesus Christ. I'm not sticking my hand up so you can shoot at it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Everyone get in the circle base! Everyone in the circle base! Hold this position.
Move. Follow the path.
No, Pat, you want to stay by the trees.
Just don't shoot me.
We're moving up here.
Hit!
Nice. Hit monkey ball.
Right side, right side! They have a lot more people now.
Left side, actually.
My left, you're right. Oh, like, there it is. I'm gonna
Hit! Oh. Where do we need to respawn?
Yeah.
Gotta go way back there.
Oh.
shit, good shit.
If you can go get
This kid's hitting you, guy.
Oh, left side, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, hit! Where'd it go? You guys know you can't get hit while you're running, right? I thought you were out.